Hello guys, today I wanted to share with you the repair of hail damage on my Volvo. It was really unfortunate when I went for a short trip to the US and there was hail which damaged my Volvo. You can see the damage, which is not that bad, it's not that deep. Over here you can see it a little bit better. Most of the damage is on the hood. The roof I managed to cover with a blanket. I always carry a blanket in my car, so the roof was intact pretty much. You can see all the dents. Later on I will show you the repair after. Back onto the street. The roof line over here, it got damaged. The doors were not damaged at all. The roof is good. The spoiler is composite, so no damage over there. And the back quarter panel, you can see there is 2 dents over there. Let's go around the car. The back water panel over here also damaged, and the roof line, just these 2 dots over here. Now I made a little map for myself and to the insurance guy, so it's gonna be easier to locate the dents. It's a primitive sketch that I made, but it helped me track the result when the car is gonna go to the shop. Now take a note that the number of the dots doesn't indicate the number of the dents. Most of them are on the hood. So I made my trip to the appointment to my insurance company for a vehicle estimate, and this is where there will be an estimate on the damage. And you can see the roof is completely intact. I saved it. Now inside, all these cars on the left are waiting for an estimate for some kind of damage, accidents. And take a look at this Toyota Corolla, which got to the same location for an estimate because of the same hail damage that I got on my Volvo. This is her damage. So we've been in the same place in the States. And the lady, I had a little chat with her. She showed me a picture of the hail size that she took a photo of. This is what hit our cars. The car is in the shop, and I choose Miracle Dent Repair in my city because the owner Tyler listened to me and he understood me that I'm a really picky client, and he took a really good care of me. And this is the process of repairing the hail damage using Paintless Dent Repair. Really nice technicians. They allowed me in, they allowed me to watch the process. I was really happy. They took care of my car really well. Let's take a closer look at removing one dent. You can see it in the circle over there. And the technician is pushing out the dent. The car was in the shop for the whole day, since early morning until like 6 p.m. in the evening. So it took them the whole day to eliminate all the dents. And you can see now the dent is pretty much gone. and if it's gonna stick out a little bit, he's gonna tap it back in. This process takes a lot of skill, a lot of patience, a lot of eye strain, a lot of muscle strain. So I'm really thankful for people that do this job. It's really a miracle dent repair.
So now I gotta tap that down.
Yeah, I can see that, yeah. I can see that out a bit, yeah. And let's continue on a little bit different technique over here to pull out the dents using glue. And this takes a lot of time. At the end, it's gonna be a really nice result. And now let's take a look at the before, and this is what we had. And that's the result after. Just take a look, there is nothing. I was really pleased with Miracle Dent Repair in my city. They did a great job. Thanks for Tyler. Thank you for his team, for his technicians that really did a great job for me. And we'll take a look outside. Nothing on the hood. My Volvo looks like brand new again, and I'm really happy. And the roof line is all repaired, nice and straight, no dents, and the quarter panel is all good. If you did enjoy this video, hit like, subscribe to my channel for more videos to come, and thank you for watching and your attention, and I will see you next time, guys. Thank you and bye bye.